The IARS mission is to advance patient care through research and education. And I think the tagline to the IARS logo, improving health through discovery and education, really captures it quite well.
IARS achieves its mission with direct support of research, collaboration with others on research, publishing 2 journals, conducting an annual meeting, and year-round educational opportunities.
I think research is key for our specialty to successfully master the challenges of the future.
IARS is a forum where research is on top of the agenda.
The IARS is willing to take a bet on new studies on important questions. This is critical because without this funding, these studies would never get done.
It has a great impact on my career. Having this award gave me funding for my own research and also gave me protected time for my clinical duties. And on top of that, it's a great honor to have IARS Research Award.
The IARS strongly believes that collaboration in the area of research is important.
To answer some of the big questions in anesthesiology right now, you probably aren't able to do it with a single center study. So you do need to work with other institutions and other investigators.
The IARS works together with the FDA and 25 other societies, inside and out of the anesthesiology specialty, trying to solve problems affecting millions of children and parents.
SmartDarts, which is a public-private partnership with the FDA, was developed primarily to answer the question as to whether neurotoxicity does exist with exposure to anesthesia in children.
SmartDarts has helped promote people to do the kind of research that's really changed the landscape.
Anesthesia Analgesia is one of the premier journals in our specialty.
It's the journal that I think many of us look for practical information that will impact my practice today and what's coming down the line in the near future.
You know, one of the reasons I read Anesthesia and Analgesia on a regular basis is because some of the best science in our field is getting published there.
The IARS trustees had a vision to develop the IARS meeting into the premier academic meeting for the specialty.
In the world of anesthesiology, I think now that IARS is combined with AUA as an annual meeting, it's sort of the must-go-to meeting for me as a researcher.
I would say the IARS is serving a really major purpose of being the academic meeting for anesthesiologists.
The biggest takeaway is it's a place where people are just absolutely committed to moving the specialty forward through discovery, through scientific innovations. And they're rabidly excited about it. And that level of interest in research is unrivaled in any other anesthesia meeting in the world.
Beyond the annual meeting, the IARS is in the forefront of educational innovation with programs like Open Anesthesia, Self-Study Plus, and IARS 360. The Society's newest educational program, offering personalized access to all IARS content and CME opportunities, anytime, on any device, anywhere. IARS is dedicated to providing the specialty with the most effective, convenient, personalized lifelong learning opportunities to improve anesthesiology practice and patient care. Together with anesthesiologists, researchers, and partner organizations, IARS is focused on improving patient care.
Anesthesia is an opportunity for me to take somebody that's incredibly anxious at a critical juncture in their lives and to help them get through that in a way that they wouldn't otherwise be able to.
That's a tremendous moment when a patient first opens their eyes and recognizes you at the end of a procedure.
The gratification that we get from our work is so immediate and so profound that it really eclipses almost anything else that I can do.
Without anesthesia where it is right now, the vast majority, I think, of medicine would not actually be possible. We change lives in the operating room quickly over a few hours.
I'd say the future of our field is making sure that our young people are involved and want to do research, want to do education, and we're providing the opportunity to meet and network and ensure their success.
What can we do to improve patients' outcome? What can we do to make sure patients feel better? I think there's a lot of to do, and that's why I think it's great that IARS is actually pushing the ball.